Would you like to get 100% commission?
Yeah, who wouldn't?
Yeah, that's what I think. Well, what's so cool is at wealthyatlast.com, you can. You can make 100, 300, 600, 900. You can make, as much money as you possibly can make. And it's easy. It's a blueprint. It's literally just following step by step, right?
Yeah, and you keep every dollar you earn in the system.
Yeah.
100% commission, really.
Yeah,
No kidding.
yeah, that's pretty crazy.
Hard to find in the market.
Yeah. So, and have a system and training and a community of 26,000 people and 11,000 positive reviews in case you're skeptical, like a lot of us are. And you should be skeptical of stuff that you see online. So a lot of it's just BS.
And if you want a free blueprint, you just go to wealthyatlast.com. That's wealthyatlast.com. Put in your email, and then you're going to get a free blueprint.
Yeah.
From us.
So make sure to do that. And thing one is, we always do affirmations or tips today.
Yeah.
I deserve to be financially independent. I deserve to be financially independent.
And thing two says, money flows to me easily and effortlessly. Money flows to me easily and effortlessly. There's that word again, effortlessly.
Yeah,
because that's my mantra.
That's your message.
That is my message.
And that could be your message. It comes easily, effortlessly. So we believe in you. Go to wealthyatlast.com, pick up your free blueprint. Make sure to subscribe to us, like us,
follow us.
Yeah, do all that. And we'll do that for you too. Okay, talk to you tomorrow. Bye.